Recently, we launched an upgraded version of BDM3P. DIY enthusiasts should not miss this dual-channel 50-watt Bluetooth amplifier board with volume control and real-time audio adjustment via PC UI software. The BDM3P features external potentiometers for easy control, Bluetooth, and power indicator LEDs, a built-in 3.5mm line input port, and an AUX output port, making it an excellent choice for DIY projects. It utilizes the high-performance TPA3116 amplifier chip from Texas Instruments, ensuring exceptional audio quality. With a compact and exquisite design, the BDM3P is about the size of half a palm. Despite its small size, it maintains a tight PCB layout and utilizes high-quality components, ensuring high reliability and outstanding quality for users. The board has been upgraded to enhance heat dissipation for the amplifier chip, equipped with a thickened heat sink that ensures efficient cooling even under full power operation. It supports a wide input voltage range of DC 12 volts, 24 volts, with an onboard DC power jack. Simply connect the cables, and it's ready to use. You can power it with a 12 volts power adapter, making it very convenient. With a DC 21 volts power supply and a 4 ohm load, each channel can reach 50 watts output, doubling the power of the BDM3 and providing even stronger performance. Therefore, the BDM3P is well suited for desktop speakers, bookshelf speakers, DIY projects, and more. The BDM3P is equipped with an independent BP1048B2 Bluetooth 5.0 chip, enabling wireless audio connectivity. If you prefer not to use Bluetooth input, you can also choose to use the 3.5mm analog input to connect devices like MP3 players, CDs, and computers. For speaker outputs, simply connect the speaker wires to the corresponding ports on the BDM3P. In addition to speaker outputs, the amplifier board provides an AUX output, allowing direct connection to active speakers for music playback. If you want to upgrade your old speakers to support Bluetooth connectivity, this amplifier board is worth considering. The amplifier supports PC UI control. Simply connect it to your computer using the matched cable, and you can perform real-time audio adjustments. The tuning software offers a rich set of adjustment functions, including multi-band EQ, bass enhancement, voice cancellation, delay, and more. It is user-friendly and easy to operate. The board also has a built-in volume control potentiometer for convenient adjustment of the volume. Additionally, it supports independent treble and bass adjustment, with external interfaces provided on the board. Even if you install it inside a cabinet, you can still easily achieve these functions. The board features Bluetooth and power indicator LEDs, allowing you to monitor the operating status at a glance. External indicator light interfaces are also available, allowing you to extend the indicators if desired. We also offer cables kit as optional accessories. Now, let's listen to the audio quality. For demonstration purposes, the connecting wires have been pre-soldered. Connect Bluetooth.
A little sweet and spice, throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise, I dream of you all night. Filled with emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me, you're finding it harder to breathe. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times, through colored glass, time goes on, enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then, it creeps on back.
If you found this video helpful, please kindly consider liking, sharing, or leaving a comment. Thank you for your support and valuable feedback.